6 shot, 3 fatally by gunmen in Maverley. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 6 people were shot, 3 fatally by gunmen in Maverley, St. Andrew on Thursday. Police report that a group of people were standing on a roadway in West Main Drive in the community when criminals traveling in a motor car opened fire, hitting members of the group. 6 people were reportedly found suffering from gunshot wounds and were rushed to hospital, where 3 succumbed to their injuries. Reports are that a group of police officers on patrol in the area heard the gunfire and gave chase, which resulted in a gun battle between them and the gunmen. The gunmen managed to escape. The police said that the gunmen later abandoned the vehicle they were traveling in and managed the road. The police are continuing the investigation. Continuing the news. 15-year-old student among 3 in Ochi gun attack which has left a man deceased. A 15-year-old St. Mary's student is among 2 people hospitalized in serious condition after a triple shooting along the Ocho Rios bypass in the St. Anne resort town of Ocho Rios on Wednesday, which has claimed the life of a man. The deceased has been identified as 41-year-old technician Julian Facey of Perrytown in St. Anne. Head of the St. Anne Police Division, Superintendent Dwight Powell, said that the incident occurred around 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Reports are that Facey was driving along the roadway in his motor car with a student and another passenger when, on stopping at the intersection, another vehicle drove up with armed men who opened fire, hitting Facey and all the other occupants of his car multiple times. The gunmen did made good their escape in their own motor vehicle. Facey died inside his motor car, according to the superintendent, while the 2 other occupants, including the students, were rushed to hospital in serious condition. The 2 injured persons were admitted to a medical facility in the area. Meanwhile, police are appealing to persons to come forward with information that can assist the police in this probe. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.